student in the series of learning Python programming. Once again I am welcoming you all. I hope you all are good and healthy. Student, today's topic is operator. Yes, operators. Operators are very useful and important chapter topic of every programming language. In the Python, operators play a very important role. Operators are symbols that perform calculation. In another word, operators are tokens that trigger computation when applied to variables. Students, based on operators' nature or based on their use, operators are classified into three types: unary, binary, and ternary. Yes, student, there are three types of operator: unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. In unary operator, only one operands used. Yes, student, operands. What is operands? A new term used in programming. Just see a statement or expression: C equal A plus 5. A simple expression. Here you can find C A as variable and 5 as constant or literals. But commonly we can say that here three operands used. Three operands. Yes, student. Variable, constant. These two words used in for separate thing. But commonly, if you are going to say, so one word will be operands. Yes, student. In binary, one operands use. In unary operator, only one operands used, or you can say that unary operator used or work with single operands. And in binary, as you all know, bi means two. So in binary operator, there are two operands required to use binary operator. Yes, student, two operands used in action of binary operator. In ternary, three operands required in the action of ternary operator. What is single, two and double, I will explain, but let's know the examples of operators under these three categories. In the unary operator, there are two symbols, plus, minus, and one another you can say that not. So this is not simple addition. This is not simple minus purpose. Not is a keyword which is used as an operator. Later you will learn. But this symbol is called unary plus, and this is unary minus, and it is unary not. Unary plus, unary minus, and unary not is a separate and it is separate and it have a certain use. We will discuss in later video. And binary. So examples of binary operators. Here various operators you can find. Mostly we used 4 kinds, but in the this series is very long. You can find 7 or 8 kinds of operators. But in Python, in your syllabus, we will discuss about only 4. First one, it is arithmetical. Second, it is relational. third it is assignment, fourth one and last it is logical. So student, under binary operators there are four examples of different categories: operator, arithmetical, relational, assignment and logical. Under ternary operator only one operator used. This operator is called conditional operator. Student, it is small brief of type of operator. In many videos, in many tutorials you can find, in many books also you can find key operator chapter, then they start through this one. Key operators are arithmetical, relational, assignment, logical, conditional. So student, here you have to know it very well. Key operator based on operands used. There are three categories. These are unary, binary, ternary, and here some other examples. So student, in next video we will start learning all these things. I hope you all are good and healthy. It is today's class. Please subscribe my channel. This is for today. Thank you.